Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize automate CRM updates with HubSpot no-code, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the workflows section found in the main menu. Click on Create Workflow at the top right corner of the screen. Select Start from Scratch to build your workflow without pre-existing templates. Choose Contact-based workflow to focus on CRM updates for contacts. Click Next to proceed. Now, set the enrollment trigger for your workflow. Select the criteria that will trigger updates based on your specific needs. Once the trigger is configured, click Apply Filter. Next, it's time to add actions to your workflow. Click on the plus button to open the action menu. Choose CRM from the options available. Then, select Update Property Value to modify contact properties. In the action setup, select the contact property you wish to update. Input the new value for the property as per your requirements. Click Save to confirm your changes. Now, you can test your workflow before activation. Use the test feature to ensure everything is running smoothly. If the test is successful, proceed by clicking Review. Examine all settings for accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. When ready, click Turn On to activate your workflow. Your HubSpot CRM updates are now publicly authorized without any coding. Congratulations, your no-code automation is set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.